And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
Welcome back, folks. Well, I know we've been talking about it all day, so let's get right to Matt and find out what you can expect before you head out the door this morning.
You know, I've been looking at when do we usually see the last of our cool weather, because boy, this is a warm 7-day forecast. And you know, I'm looking at Port Isabel. We always like to pick different locations in the valley, and in Port Isabel, the average day that we see a high temperature of 65 degrees is March 19th. I tell you what, there are no signs of highs in the 60s anytime soon. The latest we've ever had a high of 65 in Port Isabel, April 24th. And that was by far the exception. But what I want to do here, and the reason why I wanted to show you that latest date, is though there's no need for a jacket the next week, sometimes we do get strong cold fronts in April, and it can throw you off. We'll have days and days of warm weather, and you think, that's it, the jackets are gone, and then suddenly a strong cold front hits, and whoa, what happened? So it's not looking like chilly weather anytime soon, but at least through April, there's still a chance. I always say, by the time we get to May, then you can put the jackets away. But through April, don't put them in storage yet, but you can certainly set them aside for a while. You're not going to need a jacket today because look how warm we're starting. Again, this is on the KRGV weather app I just updated, so you can always get this forecast on the go. Let's track the cloud cover for you because initially it's going to be a mostly cloudy start, but it's not going to stay that way. 10 a.m. still mostly cloudy, but I bet by the time we get to lunchtime, it'll be partly cloudy, and then the clouds will continue to thin. Eventually, we're going to become mostly sunny. Highs are going to reach the mid-80s this afternoon. Again, starting around 70. And I think probably about 3:30 or so we'll hit 85. And it's still going to be very mild tonight, 78 degrees. Even at 8 o'clock with still mostly clear skies. But tonight, the cloud cover is going to be coming back, and it will become mostly cloudy. By the way, muggy today and breezy today. Gusts will reach around 25 miles per hour. Out at the beach, the winds will be a little bit stronger, though. Gusts will probably reach 30 miles per hour at South Padre. 76, partly cloudy. Doesn't get much better for spring break. That's one thing. I know chilly weather fans probably a little disappointed with this 7-day forecast, but spring break fans, beach fans, loving it. I mean, we've had some chilly spring breaks before, but it's not looking that way right now. 76 today again at the island. No chance of rain. The rip current risk has dropped. It's a safe day to go swimming. I don't think there'll be any rip currents. But for boating, there's going to be more of a chop today, so keep that in mind. You can still go boating, just don't go too fast. Go a little bit slower if you're, especially on a jet ski. I know that's a popular thing for spring break. Don't go too fast out there. Take it a little bit slower, but you can still go out. Now tonight, the opposite's going to occur. Mostly clear early, but becoming mostly cloudy. Another muggy night. Lows around 69. Another and breezy still. I do want to make that clear. The winds will come down some, but you're still going to notice them. Gusts are still going to be around 20 miles per hour. Now let's talk about the weekend. No, this is not a typo. You might think, Matt, what the heck are you doing? It's the same forecast night and day. I really think that's the case right now. It's going to be 72 Friday night and 72 Saturday night. I think it's going to be 89 on Saturday and 89 on Sunday. I think it's going to be mostly cloudy Friday night and mostly cloudy Saturday night, and I think it's going to be partly cloudy Saturday and partly cloudy on Sunday. There's still time for this to change a little bit, but the bottom line is it's going to be very consistent weather, really, through the weekend and into next week, with one little caveat. Notice there's no chance of rain through the weekend until Sunday night. And then that is about the only thing that we can mention is that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there are small rain chances. 30 and 20% Monday and Tuesday, a 10% chance Wednesday. But I do think many of us will stay dry. The best chance of rain would potentially be next Friday in First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.